Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another edition of Dashcam Dummies. This is going to be a very short video. I've got one clip for you to share with you, and I hope you like and subscribe if you're not already, and decide to share the videos. Check out some of the other videos and all that good stuff. But anyway, this took place, I want to say it was south of Tampa in the road construction. I was headed northbound. I believe it was Friday morning, and this is a pretty dangerous situation, or at least it could have been. Let me show you what happened. We'll talk about it afterwards. Coming up on this truck, I saw the flashing lights, so I backed off a little bit, slowed down. I flashed my lights at him. I even beeped the horn, and it's like he didn't even see the lights. He didn't move. Didn't even try to move. That's the way it goes on the road, folks. But just a public service announcement by way of a trucker's rant. If you're on the shoulder, the last thing you need is somebody running into you. So think about that when you're driving down the road and you see somebody on the shoulder. You do not want to hit them. It's like you don't want to be hit. And thinking about how you would feel if you were on the shoulder and you're this guy. I don't know if he saw him or he just didn't see him because he was on his phone or what. But if you're riding in that right lane and you see a vehicle on the shoulder and you know there's somebody around it, and flashing lights are a very good indicator that somebody is around it, how about being courteous and moving your butt over in the other lane? Give them people room. It's dangerous enough being on the shoulder. You don't need people buzzing you when they go by you, and you definitely wouldn't want to be that way. So don't be that way towards others. So anyway, take care, and we're gonna cut it off right there. You guys have a good night, and we'll catch you next time.